Alright, people, me a run. Yeah, man, me a run. Tired, you see? Ah. Woo. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, I'm so tired. Tired, people. Alright, people, so right now we are walking the streets same way. And daddy, what you sell? What you people in camp? You sell jerk pork and everything there? Alright. So what me partner, me say what go on so they can see it though. Alright, see the people. Yeah man, finger licking. Yeah, so wanna know say I still wanna for forward and I wanna there Jamaica and thing. I see it. Who them for Oxer?
Just jerky.
Jerky, alright.
You don't know the story of garbage, but we got the next media.
What going on? You good? Come put it on camera? Yeah man, look wanna look nice man. Wanna the tone you know man. Yeah, so on up to. Wanna good? Alright. Yeah, the advance. I look like an insurance office over there, so people, is it? Yeah, people wanna sit back and just enjoy the vlog here, people. Just yeah, I'm not really talk much today, but you know just get the feel of the vlog like I wouldn't walk. There you see it. There is a walking vlog. Alright. Right over there, say have Tim Bamboo Hotel, people. Yeah man, Tim Bamboo Hotel. I'm sure now I'm going to Tim Bamboo Hotel. So we're laying your name, people. Yeah. Bring it to Tim Bamboo Hotel. Right over there, so. Tim Bamboo Hotel, the yellow, the white building. Right there, so you have a club. Say foreigners them, yeah man, and the people in Jamaica too. Yeah man, right here says a club. One stop entry. Portantonio really develop. It's a nice little walking. Ready? See people? Beautiful beaches. Alright, so we're past some bar and one thing. So we're past some bar, as I'm telling you earlier. Alright, one lane there right as well. Alright, this is one lane. I don't know, can comment what the lane you're bringing out to, you see it? Yeah. Hello. Nah, telling the people, street restaurant there everywhere. Yeah, daddy. Yeah, man, just make a tour, you see it? Next me there. Yeah, man, just a vlog, I show people who are going on the street here. Yes. Alright people, so right now we are walking streets here, yeah? And daddy, what you sell? What you people in camp? You sell jerk pork and everything there? Alright. So what me part, let me see what I'm going so then can see it though. Alright, see the people. Yeah man, finger licking.
Yeah, man.
So I know say I sound for forward and I want to there Jamaica and thing. I see it. Who them for Oxer?
Just jerky.
Jerky. Alright, yeah. Prospect. Alright, yeah. When I tell them I got sample it, you see it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but you just do a little walk in and all, you see it? Alright. Yeah man, big up yourself. Yeah man, just search the Dex media.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright people, so we are past Folly bar. Folly bar, the on the street here. Bar for days. I tell you say, if you're on the street here people, you can't hungry on the street, on a hungry street, listen. Yeah man, on a hungry street. Belly full streets, that's it. It's a bar for days. Over there some people, them have Portland auto sales. So we can get some part shop over there so people, you see it? Them have part shop right over there so. Right there so one next bar. I say bar for days on the street here to people. So if you don't love liquor, come at the street here. You see it? If you don't love food, yeah, alright. Oh. A restaurant right that's all. Oh go on. You just make a little tour, you see it? Make people see what go on. Now if you want to give a business a promotion, I'm gonna give business a promotion and people see what go on for your business though. Alright people, so this is Wilkes Cuisines and seafood restaurant and bar. And see them phone number right here so people. And then put their Instagram and everything so you can check them out, you see it people? So right now I'm going to go in there and show you what them have to offer, you see it? Yeah. Alright people, so I'm going to see me the inside now. See it? Them have comfortable chair where you can sit down and thing. Yeah. I'm going to sell mixed liquor and then something, right? Everything I'm going to sell. I'm going to take credit card though. Cash for use. Alright. Who them for after when they come here? I wanna do the restaurant the same place nearby. Whoa, oh yeah, so man. You know, so make me come here one time already. Alright, so people, this is the restaurant side, that's it. You might say restaurant side. So show now I'm going for the restaurant side. The people. And them have good atmosphere, can look out to the beach. See there? The beach there right outside. See the people can look out to the beach. Yeah man. So the atmosphere is very nice. Very, very nice. Let me see what I'm going to eat. Wow, yeah man, this look really nice. So who them from Axtown then come? Nobody special because, yeah. Okay. Alright. Remember, first, you want this to go for name? And then see the menu? Oh, this is the menu. Oh. Oh, okay, nice. Everything for 1500 when it's. Okay, then wash car over there so to see people. So there's a lot of things up this section, people. You see it? Yeah.
I have found true love
Alright, people, so I approach Anne-Marie Vaz office. Alright, over here. Anne-Marie Vaz, yeah, Mrs. Vaz office. Yeah, right over here. Alright, people, so right now we approach a place named Anna Banana. Yeah, man, Anna Banana, they're right over there, so people. Nice restaurant and thing, you see it? They have a nice place over there, so people. Yeah, man, the place to look nice. Rockaway HQ, you see it, people? Yeah, man. Over there, so you have a feeding shop, you see it? Yeah. Over there, so you have a little wholesale again, you see it? Yeah. Over here, sir, got them have a car wash, you see it? Yeah, man, bad car wash. Right over there, sir. Miss Vaz, Miss Va funeral home over there, so you see it? Yeah. Go over there and show them what going on. Here come. Yeah, Miss Va funeral home, people. Over here, say, yeah, Bramtula, you see it? And remember, somebody do one flag over there already. When me just say, yo, what can $20 give you? Alright, I can put the link so you can watch it back. Alright, so we approach Folly now, you see it, people? Yeah, we're near to Folly. Alright, people, the road. What? See the people, the beautiful Folly Beach. Folly Beach, people. Yeah, man, beautiful Folly Beach. Yeah, people, this is the entrance to Folly. Yeah, big football field. And you can carry over the lighthouse also, you see it, people? Yeah, man, right over there. Right over there, people. Yeah. People, a whole heap of shamings me getting on, so I'm not really show people on camera so easy. Yeah, so I just do my things here, you see it, because I say I build this video for you guys. You guys give me motivation to keep on vlogging. Because I suffer, I say I will not enjoy the vlog them. So that's why I still put in work, see you see it, people. I want to just always remember say I just subscribe and share with a friend, yeah. Nobody selfish to the video them. You might make your friend watch it also. So the people beautiful Folly Oval. Yeah, some muddy afraid. Hurry up. Muddy. Go up that place. Am I asking? Yo, how's parada there? People, I know the road is bad. Yeah. Hopefully they can complete it for Christmas still as it. Yeah man, hopefully. I know say Christmas I'll get busy. So no hurry up and go ahead and splash me up. So this is the Northeast region, Forest Department. This road lead you up to the Rada place. I have to run because they soon lock. About 10 Rada lock, sir. About 5, thanks. People may run. Yeah, man, may run. Tired, you see? Ah. Woo. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, I'm so tired. Tired, people. So I'm going people almost reach. Come on, almost reach the Rada office. Yes, people. Look at the ambience, people. Natural. Wow, I love up here. Here it is. Historic and look nice. I mean, I tell you, look at the views. Alright, people, so this is Rada.